everyone, welcome to my video. Let me introduce myself before I explain how to set with Mendeley application. My name is Sylvia Opusnunggu. I'm from Morning Management Class D. So to shorten the time, let's get right into it. The first thing I want to explain to you is how to cite journal article with Mendeley. So, we can open our Mendeley and go to File and then an entry manually. We have to choose journal article in type column. The next column is title. We can copy paste from the journal article. We can copy and paste in title column. Author is who make the journal. We can find the author from our journal and copy paste to author column. We have to type the last name first and then space and the first name. The next column is journal. This column is for the type of our journal. For year, volume, and issue, we can find in the journal and copy paste them. The next column is page. We can see this journal has 9 pages. Abstract is from the journal also, and then we can ignore the text. For the author keyword is right below the abstract. And the last thing is URL. We can copy paste from the web, and the last step is to save this site. The next thing is to cite conference proceeding. We can go to Mendeley, File, and then an entry manually. We have to choose conference proceeding in the type column and then copy the title from the proceeding and paste to title column. Author is who make the proceeding. We can find this in our proceeding. Same like journal article, the year and pages from the proceeding, and we can copy paste. The next column is abstract. We can copy from the proceeding and paste to abstract column. The next, we can ignore text and then copy paste the author, keyword, and city. For this proceeding, there is no editor, so we can ignore that. For publisher is who held the seminar. The last column is URL. We can copy from the web. The last step is to save the site. The next is cite YouTube with Mendeley. We can go to Mendeley, then File and click and Entry manually. For YouTube, we have to choose Report in tab column. We can copy the title from YouTube and then paste to title column. For author is who said something that you want to cite and from this time. He is Dr. Gia Pratama. Here is when the video uploaded. There is no pages in YouTube, so we can ignore that. There is no abstract and author keyword, so we can ignore them. But we can copy the tag and paste to tag column. City is where the podcast come from, and this podcast is from Bintaro, so we can type Bintaro in city column. For institution is the podcast name. The last thing is to copy URL from web and paste to URL column. And the last step is to save. The next type is thesis. We go to Mendeley and then File and then click and Entry manually. The title is from the thesis, so we can copy and paste to title column. The author is who make the thesis. For this thesis, she is Elina Paspupa Rizky. Here is when the thesis made. Pages is number or pages. And then abstract, we can copy and paste to abstract column. We can ignore the tag column and move to author keyword that we can find right below the abstract. Department of this thesis is Fakultas Ilmu Ekonomi dan Bisnis Islam. The university is Universitas Islam Negeri Sumatera Utara. The type is thesis, and we can copy the URL and paste to Mendeley. The last step is to save. The next step is web page. We go to Mendeley and then click File and then Entry manually. We have to choose web page in tab column. For the title, we can copy from the web page and paste to title column. We have to make sure to capitalization every word. The next column is author. We have to type who make this web page. For publication is who published the web page. And for this web page, the publication is by Barukarinfo.com. We can see the years here in the web page, and for the page, we can scroll to see if the web page have page. But this page doesn't have page. We can ignore abstract, tag, and outer keyword. And move to the next column is get access we tap when we access the web page. And the last thing is URL. We can copy from web and paste to Mendeley. The last step is saving the site. The next step is book, but the first we will cite book from Google Book. We go to Mendeley and then File and then add entry manually. The tab is book. And then we can copy the title from Google Book and paste to title column. The author is who made the book. We can find in Google Book. The next column is year. It is from for when the book published. Next is pages. It is for number of pages. We can ignore if there is no abstract, tag, and author keyword. The next column is city. It is for where the book published. Next is edition. This column is to explain which edition the book is from. The Iris editor we can find from Google Book, but there is no editor in this book, so we can ignore that column. Next is publisher. This one is for who published in book. And the URL we can copy paste from Google Book, and the last is ISBN. We can find an in Google Book. The last step is saving the site. The next thing is to cite book from hard copy book. We go to Mendeley, then to File and then entry manually. It is still a book for the tab column. And then we can tap the title. And then the author who made the book. Next is year for when the book published. Then page for the number of pages. We can ignore abstract text and author keyword to for book. Next is city where the book published. And then edition. For this book it's for edition. There is no editor of this book, so I will ignore that column. Then the publisher, it is who published the book. And then we can go to ISBN. The last step is saving the site. The last thing is how to find theory for the chapter 2 of our thesis. So we can go to Google and search the grand theory first. So it is pengertian manajemen. And then the middle theory, it is pengertian manajemen sumber daya manusia. And the applied theory, we can search in Google Scholar.